Kurumjari. Coffee with Times of Manipur niyeng tabirba kwai punamapu blessing GANGMEI na taram na okchari. TOMTV na matang series kaya da sandok kiba sing tam case creed religion amadi kari kamta khaina ba leite dana sandok chariba Coffee with Times of Manipur gi episode ngasi gi oina aikoi gi special guest aikoi tribal ichin naw singi marakta gi yamna ming chatliba artists, musicians, adaga yamna versatile oiva singers ama aikoi hojik masamak si Doha da Qatar the best oina lejeriba music teachers oina lejeriba. He's none other than the one and only Mpamei. Mpamei bu aikoi gi studio da welcome to jari.
Thank you so much for having me.
Ngasi Mpamei hairabasi mayamna masak khangba mi su yam leiramgani adaga generation gi gap matung khara leibe maramna khangdaba mi su khara leiram bai yai. Mpamei si kari lamdagi no kari thabak tawbuno ima ipa kari kana tawbuge adaga ichin naw kya laibage have short introduction mate imta John na thambiba.
I was brought up in Tamenglong town, like it's a small district where I used to love, where we play around, but I left hometown while I was in class 8.
Okay.
I studied in Infal in 2003. I came to Infal and I stayed there. Then I finished my 10th class from DAV, okay, in Sangapore. Then I left for Delhi. I studied there. From there I went to Dubai. From there I came back. Then now I'm in Doha. Like for me, since childhood I love music. I used to play, and mostly our tribal peoples, like our in Tamenglong, mostly we have a teachers' day where, you know, we used to play music, where we used to appreciate the teachers. So I used to be in that group. We used to have a band, and you know, used to play. So that was a part of the journey that I used to come with music.
Okay.
And my father always appreciate me with music, and he never stopped me from doing anything. He's the one who will bring me violin. I was started my music with violin. I was a violinist, and I have a teacher from US. His name is Herrick Colby, Professor Herrick Colby. And sometimes I used to miss him. It's a long way. He had guided me till this far, and I'm very thankful for him that I have picking up music as my career. And I have 4 brothers, 2 sisters. And then I'm just teaching in Doha now. And music have given me a lot, so I feel that I should give back to the society. Okay. Because music can do so many things, because as we do so many, like I used to do like concert. When you have concert, you can share what you really want, how you can share about humanities, you know.
Right.
How much church can you break down, how much mandir or how much mosque you can break it down, but unless people don't change their heart, you know, it's like you cannot change the person. Okay. So music had given me so much to be humbled and to be more humanity. Okay. You know, even when I write music, I always feel so close to the world.
John se angang oiningai digi sumaina music digi yamna interest lairaga changrakre mathang sum satharbo oina. Right now you are based in Dubai and Doha. Then Doha, yeah. And then you're having your own profession as a musician. Yeah. Adu John na ada lairingai desu asigi akoi TOMTV na broadcast tawriba kai mayam se asumna laiba matamda yengbra kamai tawge John na thengnarapase.
To be honest, when you talked to me first time, I used to check out on the YouTube. And then I Googled it yesterday. What was the channel number? I think 19 something in Tata Sky.
1973.
Yeah, 1973. So I put it. I was in Guwahati, so I was checking out how is it the channel. So it's great, and I'm very, you know, it's like encouraging that you peoples are bringing up Manipur in different level. Okay. Because satellite channels is not like other TVs. They might be coming up, but right. You guys are like the first one to come up. So it's a good thing for us to reach out to more people, and like it's a privilege that you guys are having us, you know. So it's a good thing that TOMTV had come up with this satellite channels. And yeah, I check out some of the videos. I check out with Sadananda, the singer. Great. Because I will be related with singing things, so I was thinking what you guys asked, and what you guys, ask about it.
Okay, thank you so much, John, for expressing your opinions and your wishes to the TOMTV. John yamna angang oiringai digi sumana music the interest lai re hai re ko. Ada professionally I musicians or not that you have committed your mind or you have taken the decision that you want to become a professional singers, professional musicians. Hai bagi commitment se kari matam dagi nang sahi kya sura pati John na professional or na music se khongdang ki bagi.
Actually, I used to play for a band, as I told you in the Teachers' Day. I used to be a keyboardist at a backstage. I used to play, and I always love to sing. But people, people like think that I cannot sing. Even me, I don't think I can sing. So I was thinking like, okay, I'll be a musician. I play guitar, I play keyboard, I play violin. Then, I was in Dubai in 2011. So I performed a song.
Okay.
And one British guy came and said to me, "You have an amazing voice, and I really love it."
Oh, that's great.
That is the time I think that I can also sing. That gave me a boost. And then 2011, 12, I came back to India, and then I started my own band in the name of Mpamei and the band.
Okay.
And then we started with the first gig we had in Hard Rock Cafe, because Hard Rock Cafe is one of the biggest stage. And then we performed like it was a competition like from all over the world. We need to vote, and people have to vote us to get that selected. And so many bands were there. Then luckily I was selected. So and then from there I started performing. 2013 we started the band. So through there we have a band with my brothers and cousins, because when we have, I choose the best musicians from Delhi. Okay. Even the guitarist was from Haukip. He's a nice guitarist, and till now he's in Delhi, and he was my first guitarist, and that's how we started our band in 2013. Yeah, from there I take music as a career.
Okay. Ado John na sumai na music de sang ki bisi yam na ngang oi ringai dum sang kre. And isagi childhood stories ko. Abidi school degi perform torapa, and then different instruments, pianos, keyboard, guitar khong ra pase. Sumai na sang kre ado John na hojik professionalize na tagi yam na specialize oi na leiri bagi music genre se. Karamba music genre da John na sumai na hojik focus tawra ga leiri bra na tag sumai na tawra khiba.
Actually, music genres I really like pop music and soft rock. I hardly listen to metals and all those things. So I'm more focused on, because it's not like it's not like I'm against metals and anything, but I'm more focused on lyrics. Like when you come up on a stage, you should be interact with the people. People should get what you're trying to speak, what you're trying to sing. And music is where any peoples in the world can come and feel it. You don't need to be rich, poor. Everybody can come and listen to it, and that might be the first show for them, and that might be the last show for them. Okay. You have to give your 100%, and I always believe in that. So I want my lyrics to reach out to the people. Maybe they might come on the way and they listen to my lyrics and they say, "Oh, it was good," and they change their life. So for me, I love like soft music where I can more focus on lyrics. So that's why I just prefer it soft rock than pop.
Okay. John na sum sarak pa daga compose to kiba ikiba lyrics miyam se isai miyam se English ta na daga atopa lon da sumaina akoi na thengna khibum towi ko adaga aikoi gi ima lon na daga aigi isagi kai haini mother lon dagi mother tongue dagi John si koi rongmai masa oirabni no ko adumaina ima lon dagi sakiba isai laibra na daga kamai tawrage sigi matang sida lairagadi John gi akoi gi community gi isai matemta lairagadi humming to tobi biya da na hanga chai
Even it's like mostly like aina si isai se gospel, so aina lawaya, and then it's related to boys and girls, it's like you're the only one, nang na de in Rongmei. So it's the first like Rongmei song that I put it up.
Okay.
Sangama anil tong panti chang luan hai taboy thang ta la puni taboy nong loy la puni sang ama anil tuang panti chang luan hai ta bơi sang ta la puni ta bơi nung loi la puni nang na de akan tu ta bơi quang pu si ni nang tai palage nang na de akan tu ta bơi quang pu si ni nang tai palage.
Well, thank you so much, John. That was very beautiful song. Ada hojik John na sakya ba isai ase mas magi lyrics na haib si ne. Ai koi gi punsi se karai de sat kani adaga chatli bagi nungsi gi akoi gi lambi punsi gi lambi se karai de sat li gani haib gi kano ne adaga kitang romantic oi ba mong da isai se lyrics si kano to buni compose to jabni mana dedicate to ning ba isai mi amadi leram gani adaga mana isai gi artha se nang khatini aigi punsi gi lambi sida hai magi artha male John gi sai se ko.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much once again, John, for the beautiful song that you have presented to us.
You're most welcome.
Okay, from the ordinary John Mpamei to the international artist ko John ji hojik international level kya da su agar akogi Middle East lom da perform to kiba India gi mapalam da even in India or also Northeast da mainland kya da su perform to ga lakhi bagi records kya su koina thengna ra adaga asumaina John si from the ordinary John Mpamei to the international artist ngasi oiraki base kari isai dagi nataga situation incident dagi John si sumaina yamna wang thak the star ama oiki bi hai bi matang journey to the thambi.
I would say it was through VH1 and MTV. They had featured me on their top listed like VH1 Hit Factory, and our song was played there, and that was in 2014. You know, then MTV played our songs, 9XO played our songs. So all the like music TV channels in India, you know, they pick it up from my first song called Far Away.
Okay.
So when I was walking in Sabdazang, I came for a holidays. I remember someone calling me like, "Oh, you're the Far Away guy, huh?" He called me. You know, I like, if they know me maybe, but you know, the songs is what it takes me up, not my name, you know.
Very much.
So, but it was not easy a way to pick it up. I have so many ups and downs, but yes, I have to very appreciate all this TV channels that have really picked up and they played it. They played our songs, and they, you know, they have till now they're playing our songs in the TV channel. So even the day before, a girl messaged me like she told me like my song was played in Basankun malls, you know, Basankun's in Delhi, and I was like, oh, it's good. So it's like, you know, if you have a concert and if you come and you perform, people will, even though they might not know me, but when I sing the song, oh, I heard this song, you know. So yeah, songs that really make me a very different things. People might, because I have the different names with my officials and my stage name. Like my official names is different, and so people, I remember while I was traveling to Bangkok, so a crew was coming and serving me, and then, you know, he was asking me like, you're the one who sing, you know, the Far Away song. Yeah, I was like, I look up to her, you know. Okay. So it's like the first song I said it should be Far Away.
Okay.
So that had really given me a boost till now.
Okay. Hojik Far Away harba isai sidagi ordinary John dagi ngasi akhoi malem gi thak ta pukhalaga John Mpamei hairu se mayam ni international artist ni haira sak khangapagi kano se opportunity sumaina ka khibni ba ko yam nungai jari John gi musical gi journey seda kya sumaina yam exciting oiba angles kya adagi sumaina thambire ko adaga akhoi Manipur da leiriba artist adaga singers mayam se sumaina isai dagi hauraga acting lom da khongda khibusu yam lai khoi Manipur ge kanu sida film industry da hai batare ko ada zone si khoi ne sum urama matam ta masak su phajai ada yamna dashing chu oi mi kanu oi bagi kanu du su lai ada hauji ki matam sida acting gi industry se akoi tribal ichin now sing gi oira ga su akoi Manipuri gi film gi kanu sida arena da so sumana space scope si yam wang na lai re ko la zone gi wakhalon da acting ลมได้สังบกีว่าคันจีกันอยู่ในไลฟ์ก็ให้มาตั้งที่กันคันกี่จง
I don't think acting will be for like I cannot take acting as the career or I cannot do any movie because I remember when I first shot my song that Far Away video.
Okay.
It took me just to walk on the street like I have to cut for almost a day.
Okay.
And then my director was very upset. For me I cannot like I don't know how like when they started saying 1 2 3 action roll and then I become different.
Okay.
From natural to different person. So I don't think I can be able to pick up acting as my career. It's like even doing my songs, like I have produced like 6 songs now, like official video which is with VH1. So it was very hard for me to even produce that video. So I don't think I can pick it up acting as my career.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ado John si sumai na si band dalai riba si guitar su khonge adga piano su violin su ngai John na angang oi ngai dige violin dige haudok khibini music kanu sida changrak se han so haye ko adaga hojik se John se akoi na tarak pada music teachers oi ne su mapan lam da sumai na lai na haye ko da yamna multi talent oi ba yamna versatile oi bagi musicians natraga music teachers oi na lai riba se kari kari honaraga ajigi yamna capable oi ba musicians sama oi na lakpa hai si John gi efforts kaya thadaraga matung sida asigi level da yorak puno habi matang di kari lege do
Yeah, I was sharing with my dad also yesterday. Those people who have come on the stage, like who had come far, they really struggle. I even really struggled it, and I remember I used to play for around 5-6 hours, and then I used to bleed my fingers. I used to put oil so that I can play again my guitar, and yes, honestly, I have to travel from very far to like for learning my music. So I think we need to really struggle it and we need to put our sweat down to come up because music is very, very challenging. Everyone can sing, everyone can play, but just that you need to know what exactly you really want as a person,
absolutely.
Yeah. So because God had created you like a very different, unique piece. How much, I am very influenced with Coldplay. I really love the way he performed. I even try to copy it, how he performed, in shows and like that. But I realize now, like, you are very different. We are all different. And I want myself now to be different, like me. Because even when we see twins, the parents can identify that this is who and this is who. For us, we might not be able to identify it, but for the parents, they can identify it. So God has created with different unique.
Okay.
So I want it to be myself, and that is what challenges take up, and we need to really work hard to come up, and then we need to believe in ourselves.
Okay. Yes, that was a very strong message. That was a very strong lesson from John how you have experienced to be successful or to be a professionally skillful person, whether in the field of music or in the field of different subjects. One needs patience, commitment, and then like those were your experience and your message, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, John, for that. John na hojik khoi Manipur masa ma oina mapal lam da yamna lapat mafam da Doha hai resi akoi Manipur dagi natraga Delhi dagi kano dagi tong ma tai pui na chalam gani ko adugi mafam da yamna skillful oiba oja amo ina leiri base akoi asum da halaga Manipur da natraga kaino gi mafam ama sida sumaina ishagi music school set up tawraga kano tawbagi mayam da khunai da mateng pambagi wakhalun da changbagi mateng si kari opinion da leibra John gi se.
Yeah, I even think about that. It's a very good question because I was thinking I will start my music school in fall. At this time when I came, I just want to see around how music is. But
that's great.
But the thing is that we have so many ban and curfew and all this thing, and then it's like it's very. To be honest, I don't know how people will think about it, but as a music artist and as I have been playing my guitars, it's very expensive.
Okay.
If we buy a guitar string, like a corded guitar string, will cost you around 1,600. And then mostly people change their strings like in a week time, big souls people. And then I hardly change, like I change in 1 month or 2 months. So it's very expensive to learn music. And I have seen an article saying that only, you know, rich people can offer, like, can learn music now, you know, in articles, many articles. Because it's not like so easy, you know, even the instruments are very expensive. So I'm just thinking if the investment is going to be huge if we have to open here.
Okay.
And then if you want, because if you are investing, you want to give the best. You don't want your people to, you know, give the lower grade or not the best one. So I was thinking about it, but I might open. I have a plan for it.
Okay.
So, but I have to see the market, how it pick it up, you know, because I want to give, if it's open, I want to give the best, you know, so that they get privileged to go outside to put it up in a big show. It's not like just in, you know, Manipur thing. And I wanted to take it into a very different level.
Thank you so much, John.
You're welcome.
Akui John ki manglan kya se reality oina phaudok pangam na bagi so akoi TOMTV ki mai kai digi John de so best wishes extend to birai ko. So may your dreams, may your plan be a, you know, a successful one in the days to come. Okay. Viewers, it's time now for a short break, so we'll be coming back with more interesting stories and exciting experiences from John Mpamei. Till then, keep watching TOMTV.
Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahanba oina miyam gidamakta monsoon offer ama pijari. Pijariba offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package. Akupamarol gidamak contact tobiyu Lamjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lamjingba Group Building, opposite to Lamjingba Nidhi Limited, Imphal. Aikogi phone number 1800-1027-959 natraga 8794613154.
Lamdam asigi lawmi singmi singi ahangba lamsingda thabi hauro Mahindra company amadi Holland country gi Heiss ZPC company ga punna tissue culture tawraga puthokchaba asengba alu char iramdam asigi leibak lehawa yamna chunaraba alu angangba Lady Rosetta amadi alu angogba karfi jyoti makhal animak pambiragani supnatagi alu piece amana alu kg ama hena puthokpa ngamba alu makhalni iramdam asibu sabu ongnaba alu puthoklasi asengba alu char tharsi Saranaba alu Undok Kagna Maton Toklaga Semba alu chara Haragum si haiba kholau amagaloina Sahi ahum sugna Satharakpa mission amagi makhada Pujarakpa alu chara singni Mipal tangdana iramdam asida alugi awapa lehelagum si Lengsing birau ngasimak Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malom Bazar Lingtoy House Kaksing Bazar Adongi ahangba phum singda alu thabiduna iramdam asida alugi awapa lehelagum si
Welcome back after the break on the stage of Coffee with Tom. John gi kano yamna phau ki bagi hit sat ki ba isai John gi album ki release taw ki ba da ko khwai digi mayam na pam ki ba da khwai digi viewers yam ki ba adugum ba isai amakak mayam da khudon tam bi ba ya ga da John.
Okay, this is the song that I said before. It's called Far Away. This is who I am. This is what I do. This is where I stay. It's far away. This is what I want. This is what I need. Baby, you're the one. It's far away. It's far away. It's far away from you. It's far away from where we first met. You're far away. You're far from me. You're far away from where we first kissed.
Wow, that was very fantastic, John. Thank you so much for the beautiful song. Yam nungajaga, John. Isai gi lyrics to so yamna nungsiba, yamna fazaba lyrics ta John na ibi bagi. Adugi maram na oirangmani mayam na sigi isai si khwadagi pamba yamna ming sakiba isai si oi khama leko John ko. Okay, thank you so much for that. Ado hawjigi John gi sumaina album release tawkhibe se kya tawkhraba adaga mathangi pipeline se. Hawjik tungda lakadaba yamna kuiringai da kai kai project paikakadaba matangdi kai kai laige John.
Some international shows, which is quite big, but I have to wait for it because I have to get my visa things first. I have 4 shows, which is a good one and big one, but I'm waiting for my visa interview, which is going to happen on 14th, so I have to fly back to Doha. So once I get it, I will announce it. Until I get it, it's not good for me to announce it. But album wise, I have released 2 albums, Far Away and Illuminate, and new songs where I'm going to be performing. If I get my visa, I will be doing a recording there, and we'll try to give our best for it'll be like EP, like not a full album, like around 5-6 songs.
Okay.
So I will try to release it, and I have few songs which it's not yet released, so I'll be releasing like every maybe 2-3 months, within 2-3 months.
Zone si ada hojik kaino da Doha da laiba haibse ko yum akoi Manipur da natraga yum di kyam toina adagi sumaina lakpra adaga zone na Tamenglong dagi natraga chatkadabi plan gumba adaga Manipur da sumai kyam koina laido no yum si chatkada plan laibra adagi sida lakbo se chahi da nara tha da kya rak kamaina often oina lakya hadagi matang
2016 da la I think 2016 da was like 2019, so 3 years now.
3
maybe
years after,
yeah
okay.
yeah I didn't even go home, so this time I'm planning to visit home.
Okay.
I will stay there for maybe 2 days, then I'll come back here, then I have to fly back for Doha for my interview, for my visa.
Akoi gi Manipur da lairibagi music gi situation natraga music gi condition se zone gi mediang da natraga zone gi opinion da kari one laibra haibagi matang di zone wakhalun da kari one like music scenario in Manipur se.
Actually, honestly, musicians here are very great. They are doing very good, and I have few band that I really like, and it's picking up very well. They are doing very well. Just we need a platform so that we can, like you guys doing here at TOMTV, and all these TV channels. Once it's like you need to sell the music. People are big because they know how to sell it. So there are so many good bands, right? So I want them to come for TV shows and do more, where we can reach out to more people. So I have listened to few songs and I really like them, and I really appreciate their work, and I'm very proud that our Manipurs are doing very good in music.
Okay.
Yeah.
Zone gi music teachers ama oina ko zone na kwai gi pamjabe isai se kari isai laibage adugi isai mateng ta khudun tambi ba yagata.
I'll sing one of my favorite songs, and then people used to laugh this song because every show I do it, and I don't mind doing it because it's like a story for me. Okay. When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, when the tears come screaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? Lights will guide fix you.
Wow, that is very lovely, John.
It's one of the best songs from Coldplay. It's like it's a story.
Okay.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
Okay.
When you get what you want but not what you need. Our people, sometimes we buy things and which is not necessary.
Right.
Like some people will buy a computer they don't need 128 GB, but they will buy it because people say it's a good speed.
Okay.
What they will do is they will only do emails, But for those people who are doing video editing and all these things, they need it.
Right.
So unnecessary people, buy things and waste. So it's like for the environment, for the financial things, but personal stories, it can all involve.
Okay.
People can relate to the lyrics in every situation.
Absolutely.
So if you're going through financial problems, you relate to it. If you're going through a relationship and if you break up, you will be relate to it.
Right.
So it's like, but no matter what it is, there is a God who will lead us the way and give us the light. So light will guide you home after all.
Okay.
So we have to believe.
Thank you very much, John. May your songs, through your musics, let it cherish the heart of millions that were ridden by problems and difficulties in their life. Right?
Yeah.
So, John gi isay mayam sina, lyrics apapa mayam sina, awan nungay taba tariba, viewers mayam natraga mayam sina, John gi isay sina, nungay ba haraw ba potaba panghan ba ois no hain sidum hajagi ko. And then, moving on to the next, John, see, you are coming here to Manipur for a very short period of time. So, John na yam na teli ba matam dala ko matam sida ko. John gi fans mayam natraga John de gi khangning ba uning ba mi mayam lairam gani music gi hiram sida yam na interest lai ba satra satri mayam se lairam gani ko asigi kano sida angle sida John na kamaina thengnar ka habdi you're coming here for a very short stay. So a couple of days from now on you'll be moving back to Doha, and then John la ai habdi isagi Facebook page ta gi natraga kai kai de loina khangam gani ko adu isi matam sida John na smaina yam ateno matam da la ko sida John gi fans mayam de gi la kano best wishes mayam de gi kari kari ona thengnar ka John.
Yeah, I have few friends actually, who are very selected. So I'll be meeting them in the evening, today evening.
Okay.
So I'll have a good time with them.
Okay.
And yes, of course, I cannot be able to meet everyone.
Okay.
But I remember in 2016 or 17, when I came here and have a concert in MDF, the one.
MSFDS.
Yes. Yeah. So I remember a band coming and giving me a gift, and I'm saying this today that I am really thankful for the band. I forgot their band name, but yes, they give me a gift that is really touching to me, and
that's great.
I honestly very sorry that I was a little busy that I could not talk to them nicely. But I have in my heart that they were very kind to me and to come and meet me and give me a gift. And it was a GANGMEI concert, and they organized it. But still, this band came and two of them, they came and met me and gifted me.
Okay.
So I want to thank them, whoever they are. And I'm extremely sorry that I could not give them time. But yes, this is the patience that we have. And thank you. I really appreciate that they even accepted me as an artist and coming forward to give me a gift. Okay. And I should say thank you so much for that.
Okay. Let's pray and hope that maybe John will have a moment in the days to come in the future that you could physically or in any forms of energy contribution that you can help those persons who are your big fans, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Adidi John gi kanoda aina request macha amta thamningwa viewers mayam na so khangingam gani habdi John na sai sakhiba isai mayam se Manipuri disu English disu sakre kawi gi isai se sakre adubu hauzik John na yara gadi Manipuri gi isai se mate amta humming oi garo kai matawraga isai se viewers mayam disu kano taw bibo oina Manipuri gi isai ta taw birade hena nungai gadai na khale John
Hing min si sak min si ai khoi punna Hing min si sak min si ai khoi nung si na Hing min si
again, another very lovely, a very meaningful songs, a clip of song from John Mpamei. Thank you so much, John. John si sumaina isai iriba mayam se. Ayuna hujik thengnarapada sumaina lyrics mayam se yamna kai haini yamna asigumbagi society the impact pi matamda mayamna taruba matamda ko yamna wakhalanda o simaina lei haibagi kano lyrics se yamna impactful oiba lyrics mayam sumaina thennarai ada matungda so asidi hena society that nangi through songs, through singings, through music campaign da ko akoigi society akoigi kano se leiriba phibam se change toba ngamba oisnu hai sum haijage akoigi kano da society da leiriba Manipur da leiriba zone gi viewers mayam sida especially to the youths, the viewers who are in the category of youths ko asigi mayam sida zone gi message se mayam da kari oina thamning bage habidi asmaina taw kano tawraga di zone gi wakhalon dagi viewers mayam sida especially to the youths, the generation of youth zone na kari message thamning bage habidi sise yaraga di kano lon da thambiyo ima lon se thambiyo kari gumba kano tawraga di English ta nataga Manipuri da ma haibi ma tung da ima lon se kabui lon se tak na thambiyo hana zone request tawjani.
Actually, I'm more comfortable with English, so I will be sharing with. You know what? I feel that mostly it's not only about youth, but it's all about us. That life is very short, and we don't know what today will happen or tomorrow will happen. I've experienced my own self. I see myself dying. When I was in Jordan, I went to Jordan this time, and I was in a horse ride, and I went to Petra, where there's old stones there, and this guy who have to guide me was a little greedy, I have to say. So he was actually one person take one horse, but he take two horse. So on the left side was me, and the right side was an Australian girl. And then the horse was, the right side horse walked faster, so my horse is a little slow. So you have to pull it up so that my horse can walk together, because you have to handle both. So he pulled it up first time, the horse come, and we walk together. Second time my horse walked slow again. He pulled again, so the horse come walking together.
Okay.
And then third time, my horse didn't want to walk, and he stopped. So this guy had to go down to the backside and hit the back of the horse. And in that moment, the horse ran. It's like, I was like, I thought it's a dream. You know, we're running in a fast speed horse in some other countries where you don't even know where it will stop. I was thinking it was a dream, but I know that it was real. Like, it is real. So I have to think that how I have to escape from that. If I fall backside, I can hit the stone and I could hit my head and anything. I decided to jump out of the horse, and I jump out. And then at that time, I feel that, you know, life is very short. So I believe all the youth and us, we need to be kind to people, be humbled, and, you know, to be, you know, reachable. You know, everyone should be reachable to you. Of course, yes, we have so many differences. Honestly, like, even sometimes I forget to read a Facebook message where people message, because when you're busy, when you're traveling, or sometimes you just miss up, and then after 5-6 days you get to see that their message, and they might feel bad, you know. But as much as we can reach out to people, let's be kind to each other. Let's share love. If you want to comment anything, you know, on Facebook or YouTube or whatever, if you don't want to comment like good things, don't comment it. You know, you just share good things. Life is so beautiful. Life is, you know, it's so amazing that it gives you so many things in life. And why should we spoil someone's mood, you know? So I feel that we should be kind to each other, because we don't know what tomorrow will happen. So as I told you in the first time, I used to perform, like, this might be the first gig and then my last gig for some people. So I don't know whether they will still live or they die away. We don't know what tomorrow will bring. You know, so I want to reach out to all the people that let's be kind. Let's be more humanity. Forget about caste, creed, religions, you know. But let's be, you know, humble and reachable. That is what I I want to share to all the people.
Okay. Would you like to say it very shortly in your mother tongue?
Yeah. Mỗi na khát Indian Thai na cô lao Thai khát chắc khuang số Thai na mỗi na lâu nghe từ tha can đi hàng ngoài bên này.
Okay, thank you so much, John, for your beautiful and strong message. Though it's very short, but that has a very great impact, and I believe that we will be following your, small advice and your small message. So, John, kanu kita loisin la pasida ko. Akoi aina John da kitang pokum wahang mangam ta tak na thamjani nge ko. I would this we call it as the Tom gi wahang adom gi pokum.
Okay.
Ada number 1 sida. If you can become any personality other than John Mpamei, whom you want to become?
Chris Martin.
Chris Martin. Thank you. And moving on to the next. Who is God according to John?
It's God is.
Make it fast.
God is like God. I don't know how to explain it.
Okay. No problem. So coming on to the third question, it says like, name a girl that defines beauty according to you.
Gitanjali Mikir.
Who is Gitanjali Miki? Could you please tell it on the public platform?
She is going to be my wife. We will get married hopefully this year.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. May the TOMTV wish John Mpamei and Nikki Gitanjali a very, very good life ahead. Marisha Buddha, things which you had the most?
Pork?
Sorry?
Pork.
Pork.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Last, aroy ba ko? Good points. Mga suba John gi maram da ko. 5 good points about you. Quickly.
I will say good points are lazy, sleeping, eating, and playing music, composing songs.
Okay. Thank you so much, John. Okay, John, loisin la pasida akoi matam yamna John na matam chillaba kyam leiraga su akoi TOMTV na adaga sigi akoi gi Times of Manipur na semjariba Coffee with Tom haiba program sida lengsin biba akoi na no lukchaba matam da John na matam achinba kya du khaidoraga akoi gi studio da lengsin bibige damakta amuka hanna John bu hainingai leitena thagachare ko ada akoi John na lakpi bagi se akoi na kaimta tawbiningai akoi kano su akoi semjade leijade adu oiraga su akoi lamjingba group gi makhada leireba lateral company ama oina chinjak.com haibigi maikai degi John gi damakta sigi token of appreciation se akoi John da thambini pivini.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Well, viewers, that's all we have in the stage of Coffee with Times of Manipur. In the next episode, we will be coming up with more interesting personalities and we will continue to entertain all the viewers. Until then, keep watching Times of Manipur. Have a good day.